Hey, everybody. So, what we're going to take a look at here is a customized chatbot using a large language model. Now, in this case, I'm using ChatGPT, but this could be any model. It doesn't matter what the model is. But what I want to do is do a comparison between ChatGPT using the direct input at ChatGPT and then also using the customized model, the ChatGPT model with custom data. So let's take a look. And again, this is for Royal Caribbean. And I've just taken some information from their frequently asked questions. And you can see how the model would respond based on giving it some of this information. So let's take a look first here at ChatGPT. So I've got some questions already pre-typed out just to save some time. And let's take a look here. So I'm going to paste the first one in and ask about a drink package. And we'll go with that, see what ChatGPT comes back with. So you can see about its knowledge base, right? It tells you that this is before September 2021. It's just very generic sort of information, right? But if I take that same question and I put it into a trained version, so I'll paste that in here, and I'll take the Royal Caribbean part out because the model already knows what we're talking about or what subject we're talking about. I can take the with out as well, so drink package, and let's see what we get. All right, so we get a much more detailed response talking about, looks like here, I'm just skimming this quickly, but what kind of packages are available throughout the trip. So a much more detailed response, right? Something that you would probably want to give a customer if they're interacting at your website, right? Something a little more tailored to the question, not just a general response. Let's go back here to ChatGPT, and the next question I'm going to ask is about tips. And I spelled drinks wrong. Okay, so this is kind of in line. Again, it's always, before September, 18 to 20%. And if we do the same thing with the customized model, let's see what we get here. All right, so a much more detailed response, but also short and sweet, right? Let's ask it something about visa requirements for traveling. So take that, fire that in there, see what we get. We got general information, a lot of information, but let's try it in our custom chat. So kind of similar, right? It's where you're coming from, but it does talk about here about the Visa Central. It says click here to get more details. Now, you can actually click there, but that's something that can be customized, right? So this is actually coming from the text, right, from their website. So this is something that could be updated. So let's go back and try one more here. So we're going to ask about what's included with my ticket. Let's see here what ChatGPT tells us. All right, so a lot of information. And honestly, I don't know how accurate this is, but it seems pretty good. But let's take a look here at what a custom chatbot may give us. All right, we can see we're getting much more detailed information, specific information that has been fed into the large language model. So this is probably more something that you want to give back as feedback to your user. Anyway, thanks so much for your time. Thanks for watching. And if you need a solution like this, feel free to reach out. Thanks a lot. Okay. Bye-bye.